Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA, and I'm so sorry about that, but I have been working on this. Look at it. Yeah, this video, I'm very excited about it, and it's gonna come out in the next week or two. But what I do have for you today is a rug drop preview. Yes. So for this drop, I do have 4 bigger pieces and then 2 wrist rests. We're gonna start off hot and spicy with one of my favorite 3D pieces I've literally ever made. It's a heart flail, and the chain is, I crocheted it. It is 3D. It's a 3D crocheted, legit chain. It is attached to the flail. Okay, am I a genius? Maybe. So this piece is meant to be a wall hanging only. Obviously, if you get it, you can do whatever you want with it. The chain, like I said, is just crochet, so it's not like it's gonna hurt if you step on it, if you use it as a floor rug. But I did make it to be able to hang, and you can pin and position the chain however you want. It's so cool. I hung it up on the wall to take pictures, obviously, and doing a wavy chain, it's so cool. It's giving everything I ever wanted it to give. But yeah, it's a shiny, pink, spiky heart flail. What more could a girly pop want? What more could anybody want? Anybody, anywhere, ever. Okay, give me more ideas for chains, because I loved making this, and it's just really satisfying. The next piece is one of my favorite pieces I've ever made. I've never said that before. Huge, full rose. Huh? Look at her in all of her stunning, beautiful glory. Red rose, got some super pretty green leaves, spiky stem. I'm showing you in the most ideal way possible. It's kind of almost as tall as me. By the way, all of my bigger pieces that I'm showing you first have little hooks on the back so you can hang it. Or this little flap will hide, this little secret door will hide the hanger. So if you do want to put it on the floor, you can do that. You can do whatever you want with these. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Yeah, this is literally one of my favorite pieces ever. Next up, we have this beautiful, literally stunning, sunset, sunrise, whichever one you want, piece with purple sparkly flowers. So you can see that this yarn is sparkly, and for the flower part, I tufted it with loop piles, so you can really, I mean, my ring light is making it difficult to see, but you can see the teal kind of sparklies. When I get real close, you can see it. And so all of this is loop pile, and then the rest is done with cut pile. So it is the flowers are a different texture. And then the blend, I did all myself. So this isn't a specific yarn that I used that transitioned to all these colors. I did this blend myself, and I'm so proud of it. It kind of gives me Ghibli vibes. I don't know if I'm just trying to see Ghibli and everything, but so yeah, this also has a little hanger on the back and a little flap. This one, I almost forgot, this one is going to be at a discounted price, because on the back here, you can see that there are these sort of splotches of yellow. It's just because I put too much glue on the back, and then it kind of soaked through the backing. It's not sticky, it's all dry. It just looks yellow, so I feel bad putting it at a full price. But yeah, this is what the back looks like. It's not bad. This next piece is a hottie. So hot. Y'all, I really love doing text, specifically cursive. Carving cursive text, fun. Wonderful, great experience. This one was no different. So this is a rug with flames, and it says hottie in the middle. The eye has a little heart. It's so cute. Look how beautiful. And then we got the flames, yellow to orange to red. It's so perfect. I love this. It gives me Hot Wheels vibes. Hot Wheels with a bitchy vibe. Again, I've got some hangers on the back. This one has 2 because, it's a long piece. And flaps if you want to put it on the floor. So those were the 4 bigger pieces that I have. So now I'm going to show you the 2 wrist rests that I have. So this first one. Flames. Huh? Flames at your keyboard. Yes, please. Thank you. I try to make like minis or like wrist rests of my bigger pieces. So for the hottie, not like they have to, you know, go together or anything, but for the hottie, I was like, oh, it'd be so cool to do a wrist rest of flames. So the flames will kind of be coming off of your keyboard because you're typing so fast, working so hard. The back is the same, non-slip. So when you're not using your keyboard, you could like put it on your keyboard to protect your keyboard or something. Or you don't have to do that. You can do whatever you want with it. You can also, I've had people hang these on the wall. They don't come with like a little hanger on it, but I've had people nail the wrist rests to their wall. So you can do whatever you want with this. And the last piece, drum roll, please. Da, 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 da. One of my like favorite wrist rests I've ever made. So it is a little red rose with white sparkles. And then the rose, oh, this lighting is nutty. Oh, there we go. The rose I carved into this red blob and created the separation lines between the petals instead of tufting like the actual outline of the petals. And I feel like that made this so much cooler than if I had done an outline for each petal. Look how amazing. I'm in love with her. And once again, non-slip backing on the back. And that is what I have for this drop. So this drop is going to happen, let me look at my calendar so I don't say the wrong date again, September 28th at 3 p.m. Eastern. So that's this Sunday, 3 p.m. Eastern. So you will have to look up what time that is for you if you're in a different time zone. Almost said time frame. Just as a little reminder, I do try to do my best with the shipping. As we all kind of know, shipping things is insane price-wise. So I do use Pirate Ship to give you the best prices possible. This also does lead me to, I'm probably going to be limiting the countries that I ship to, just because some of them are like outrageous. So if you are outside of the US and you are seriously interested in any of these pieces, please let me know and I will add your country to the list of countries that I'll ship to. Otherwise, I do think I'm going to have it at obviously the US, Canada, Mexico, and the UK. So if you're outside of that and you are interested, please let me know down in the comments and I will add you. Well, I'll add your country. If you do use any of these bigger pieces as floor rugs, I do always say to put it in a like low traffic spot and that they're also, I mean, again, you can do whatever you want with them, but they are not durable enough to like wipe your boots on. They're not like for a front door sort of rug. They also cannot be put through the washing machine or like a wet vac or anything. They are spot clean only. I've heard people put them through the washing machine and they end up okay. I would not recommend. But again, you can do whatever you want with it. I also use an SBR latex glue to back all of these, including the wrist rests, which is a synthetic rubber-based liquid adhesive. And from what I've read and researched, I think if you have a latex allergy, you should still be okay with this because it is synthetic. If you do have a latex allergy, I would totally research this yourself. I'm not a medical professional and I'm not guaranteeing that you won't have a reaction to it. So it's just up to you if you have a latex allergy. All of my pieces come with a hand-stamped card and a little card from me and some stickers. And that's it. That's all I've got for you. My drop is going to be on my website, which is Artsymadwoman.biz. So I'll see you there on September 28th at 3 p.m. Eastern. I love y'all to absolute death. And I'll see you in the next video, which is me meeting a capybara and giving her a rug I made for her. I made a rug for a capybara. Okay, I'm gonna see you in that video. Goodbye!